Yes, in this video, I am going to show you the most important thing you need to know about TikTok Ads Manager in Nigeria. Yes, TikTok Ads Manager is readily available in Nigeria. I mean, TikTok Ads Manager, running TikTok ads with your computer, right, in Naira currency. Do you understand? You're going to see the video evidence or the screenshot on the screen right now, which I'm going to show you. Now, there are some mistakes a lot of newbies are making, right? There are some mistakes a lot of people are making in creating this TikTok Ads Manager. Now, if you have been trying to run ads to Nigerians, this will work for you. But if you have been trying to run ads to people who are in the US, UK, Canada, or high countries like that, you will find out that in your TikTok Ads Manager you created with your Nigerian currency, right, your Nigerian details, you will find out that most of the high countries are not available in your TikTok Ads Manager. Let's check out this video right now. This is ads account number 1, the Nigeria ads account. If I click on create ad right now, this is going to bring different kind of objective. Now the next thing I'm going to click on is click on any of these objectives. Let's say I click on community interaction for as an example, right, and I click on continue under this place, right. This is going to take us to the targeting page where you are going to be seeing the countries you can target, the interest, and so much more. So I'm going to show you the available countries you have if you create a TikTok Ads Manager in Nigeria, right, as a proof of what I've been saying since the beginning of this video. So we're going to scroll down, right. We have the ad group settings right here. So we're going to go down on the screen and you're going to see demographics. So click on this pencil icon beside this place and you are going to have a drop down menu showing you the locations. So if I click on the locations right here, you can see we have Algeria, Argentina, different kind of countries, but the only thing we don't have here, we don't have United States, UK, US, and Canada. Do you understand? They are not here. They are not here, but we have Nigerian and some other countries like that. Do you understand? So for those who want to target strong countries, if you have a TikTok Ads Manager in Nigeria, you cannot have most of those strong countries. But I'm going to show you a second ads manager I opened for my client, right, as an example to you. Now when we check out this one, you're going to go down. Do you understand? This is an example of the other one, the second ads manager I created for a client, and you're going to see in the location here we already have United States popping up, Argentina, right, and you're going to see Canada, right. Let me go straight to C. You're going to see Canada here, right, and if I go down, you're going to see South Africa, you're going to see United States. Do you understand, right? So what are you going to do to tackle this, to solve this problem if you want to target high countries like United States, UK, Canada, and so much more like that, and Australia? Now what you're going to do is that whenever you want to create another ads manager, TikTok Ads Manager, make sure you are using another IP, which is going to be a Nigerian IP, right? Number one, that's number one. Number two, make sure that you select your country as Nigeria, but you find a way to select another currency like US dollars or euro or South African rand as your currency. So it's just like Nigeria and that. Now once you do this, this will be able to make sure and force the platform to bring out most of these international countries. Don't worry if you have problem in doing it or your screen cannot do it, you have been trying it but it's not working, just chat me. Do you understand? Chat an expert like me, right, and I'm going to help you solve this problem. I'm going to create this TikTok Ads Manager from scratch for you, right, using your Nigerian details, everything, your email, and I don't really need most of your business details. But if you have a business details in Nigeria registered, fine. If you don't have it, fine, chat this number on WhatsApp and I will do it right for you on WhatsApp. It's not free, right? And also if you don't trust anyone online, you can call me on video call. We'll do it together on video call. Do you understand? Should in case you have trust issues. Number two, many people have been complaining that whenever they create their TikTok Ads Manager, they end up getting their ads account under review for days. Do you understand? Without approval. So what you can do to solve this is that whenever you create your TikTok Ads Manager, make sure sure you accept the terms and conditions immediately. Make sure your business works in accordance to TikTok guidelines, right? Whenever they are telling you to fill the forms correctly, make sure you fill it correctly. Do you understand? So once you are able to do this, your ads account, most of the TikTok ads accounts I've created for clients, they end up getting reviewed within the first 24 hours. Some even takes 2 hours, 3 hours, do you understand, to get reviewed and strong to ready to run ads. Do you understand? That is why an expert like me is ready and available to help you. You chat this number on WhatsApp and I'll be able to help you create this TikTok ads manager, and all of these problems will not happen again. Lastly, whenever you are trying to pay for your TikTok ads, make sure you are using a verified MasterCard or a Visa card that has a number that receives credit or debit alert, in which you can be able to get an OTP code, right, to authorize your payment. So don't use OPay card, don't use PalmPay card. All these cards does not work. You can also let me know in the comment section if you want to know the card that work, or chat this number and I'll be able to review to you. So these are the things I need to let you quickly know and update about TikTok ads manager in Nigeria. So I'll see you on the next video, and whatever content you'd like me to create, Snapchat ads, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, let me know in the comment section. So I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye for now.